Crack it open, 1, 2, 3. Eagle flies up in the sky, wings spread out as it goes by. Ears help us hear all day, songs and words and things we say. Earth is where we live and play, spinning slowly night and day. Eggplant is purple, fat and round, grows in the garden close to the ground. Eyes help us see near and far, blinking gently like a star. Eraser wipes the pencil line, makes our paper neat and fine. Engine runs with a noisy sound, it helps the train go round and round. Exercise means move, 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 stretch and wiggle, jump and groove. E is full of things to know, from up above